Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn the implementation of pivot tables in Google Sheets. We are all know that Google Sheets are a kind of spreadsheets and pivot table is just a feature in a Google, and the features are similar like in an Excel. The pivot table features are similar in Google Sheets. Let us see how we can implement this pivot table in a Google Sheet. I have a data of an employees which are seated in different buildings and different departments and having a full-time, half-time and hourly basis and contract employees data, and which have the data of hiring date, years, benefits, salaries and job ratings. Now I want to prepare one report based on how many employees are sitting in each building, or else how many employees comes under each department. So for this quick analysis, I am going to use the pivot table. In an Excel spreadsheets, we will see pivot tables under Insert tab. Similarly, here we will see the pivot tables under Data tab in Google Sheets. We need to select the data and then after click on the data. Once if you click on the data, you will find an option called pivot table. Click on the pivot table. It shows two options, new sheet or existing sheet. I am going to choose a new sheet and let's click on a button create. So once the pivot table has been created, it comes with rows, columns, values and filters. And if you see the similar features in an Excel, you will find these things in a grid form. Now I want to see in a rows. So what rows values you want to see here? Click on the add. So I want to see department wise employee numbers. So I'm adding departments here. So all the departments comes here, and then after I want to add values to this department. So click on the employee names. It comes the count here as a default, so it will shows under each department how many employees are there. That count is displaying now here. And then after I want to add a filter, so the filter is based on the building. So now 741 employees are there which had all the buildings. Now I want to check only the south and the north building. So the south and north buildings have a value of 479 number of employees. In the same manner, you can remove this filter here and you can add an additional row here, and you can uh, see the data by grouping wise also. So now I am adding building here. So now the buildings are comes under departments. So now I want to show buildings above the department, so I just need to hold this building option and keep on moving, just moving ahead of departments. Now the grouping has came here under the main building, how many departments are there, and then after under north, and then after south, and then after. Okay, so in this manner the data grouping is happened. If you click on the minus button, it get minimized. I am adding a filter on the status. So now contract employees, full-time employees, half-time, full hourly based employees. So now it is acting as a filter. So you just need to tick and untick based on your choice. And you can give any conditions also. That means if it is text, date, on or before, so such conditions can we can also give here. Okay, in the same instant, for the same this pivot table we can give the visualization also. So how the visualization we can give? Again, select this table, click on insert. In an insert we will find the charts here. Click on the chart. Based on this data, the chart is automatically chosen here. So under the chart type, you can change this one to the column chart, horizontal chart, vertical chart, line chart, column chart, bar chart. The user interface is bit different, but the features are mostly similar to the Excel sheet. And here we will find some additional charts than the Excel charts, like organizational chart, gaze chart, waterfall chart, like that. Some additional charts are available here. So one of the best thing that we find in a Google Sheets is these Google Sheets are placed on the cloud, so we can able to access this at any time, and all the changes has been captured time to time. Hope you all get a better understanding after watching this video. Thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit on like button and subscribe learners page.